I don't know what's wrong with this Mr. Rain. I've been waiting for him for quite a while to water my garden, but it doesn't want to land in our house. It's just going around our house. Like, I couldn't believe it, guys. Look at that. That's the rain they're pouring. And it doesn't even hit our house. And the garden needs some water. It's crying for water. How many days that this rain is just passing around our house? Just doesn't care. He wants me to water my plant. If he can come here and water my plant, that's really good. Thank you, rain, for that passing by. Ooh, there's a lightning. Oh, come out. There is the yellow plane again. It's flying. I don't know what he's doing. And Mr. Rain is still there, just passing around, visiting my neighbor. What? So guys, this is the front side of our house. And as you can see, there's Mr. Rain again. And that part too, that is Mr. Rain. And they're just circling around our house. Or what I mean, our subdivision. They're just passing us by. Not even a drop by to say hello to my plants, but oh well. Enjoy your water rain, Mr. Rain. Today it's gonna be a bad weather, guys, and we are expecting a hurricane. I think it's Cat 4. That's what it says on the weather. And right now it's so windy, guys. Look at that plants over there. It's really like windy now, and the clouds are getting thick and dark. It says it will arrive tonight, but for sure we're not gonna hit the hurricane. So hopefully, guys, we'll be okay. So I'll keep you updated in a little bit, or maybe later tonight. How's the weather? Rain skips on and off. You can see the clouds there, guys. Okay, now we're going to our bathroom. Well, this is the spare bathroom, and we fill up the tub. So just in case we lost power, we have some water to use for flushing the toilet. We don't use this one for washing our dishes. We're just gonna use paper plate, plastic cups, and plastic spoons and fork. So we can just throw it away. But this water is really important for us. And we have also a stock of drinking water. It's just only the two of us. My mom is not here, so I think we're gonna be fine on drinking water. Plus, if we really get thirsty, We got a lot of wines. Wines, guy, wines. There you go. Just kidding. And also I harvested all my veggies that I can get from garden before it will get ruined by the hurricane. I will just freeze this one and save it for later. Because Philippine vegetable, guys, here is expensive. It's just really small pack and it costs like $2 something. So instead of going to waste, I'd rather freeze it and I will have some to use for next time, like when I make some mung beans, ginisang munggo. So that's it. So okay guys, ito na yung saluyot at ito naman na yung ampalaya at ito naman yung kamote. Ready nang ilagay sa freezer.
That is the cutest wife that ever walked the earth right there. Look at how cute she is.
After waiting for a month and a half, Mr. Rain came to visit. Look at that, guys. I don't need to water my plant anymore, but it's almost done for the garden, for the veggies to grow better. It's gonna be winter soon. So, but thank you, Mr. Rain, for coming by and say hello to my plants. I know, it's kind of like yucky weather today, but it's okay. It's not that bad. At least it's not a hurricane, guys. There you go.